I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Landrover Discovery. So here we go. If we go to music, we find a track, Fire. Yes, I like that. If we look at the bottom there, if I click on that, you'll see Fire. You can either have it through iPhone speaker or the Land Rover. And you see there I can turn it up from the Land Rover, but we'll play it. There's nothing playing. Turn it up. What we have to do to get it to play through here is we look for the clapperboard and the music note, click on there, just turn that down so I don't get a copyright strike. Then we go to source, like so, and you've got television there, Barry's iPhone 17 Pro, on to Barry's iPhone 17 Pro, turn it up, and there we go. That's how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system.